Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host, Arnold Davik, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT stories you need to know for Thursday, April 9th. Up first, new research suggests AI data centers may raise nearby land surface temperatures. Findings of a new study revealed that land surface temperature increases by 2 degrees Celsius on average after the start of operations of an AI data center, an effect detectable up to an estimated 10 kilometers away. Analysts say the signal is real, but causality remains disputed. From CSO Online, Google has patched another Chrome 0 day, marking its fourth exploited flaw of the year and raising ongoing security concerns. In patching the vulnerability tracked as CVE 2026-5281, the company acknowledged that an exploit for it already exists in the wild. The bug affects Chrome's web GPU component and could allow attackers to execute code via crafted pages. Google has released updates, but rollout may take time. Users are urged to install the latest version to stay protected. And finally, from Network World, Amazon's Middle East cloud infrastructure in Bahrain has been hit again amid rising attacks targeting tech facilities. According to press reports, the Bahrain AWS site operated by telecom company Patelco was hit by the latest drone attack on April 1st. Bahrain's interior minister confirmed to the Financial Times that the attack had caused a fire. This marks the second strike in weeks, raising concerns about the vulnerability of critical digital infrastructure as regional tensions escalate and cloud service stability faces renewed risk. For more enterprise tech news, visit Computer World, CIO, Network World, and CSO Online. And don't forget to like and subscribe on the Tech Talk YouTube channel.